Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to contact PU Prime. And seriously guys, their service to help you with problems is so good. Because right now if you go to support and we click here on contact us, you can see right here the global offices. But the funny thing is they have a phone number that you can call, they have an email address that you can mail, and they have also a forum. But right now, if you click here on live chat, you can send literally all your problems in this live chat right here. So now they are also telling you, so let's close this a little bit. If you have questions or would like more information, please get in touch with us through one of the contact details below. We will endeavor to respond all queries within 24 hours. So this is one of the best services from crypto exchanges that I saw. So this is great. Check this out, use this, and this is how you can contact the PU Prime exchange. So hopefully this was a video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.